to do this because obviously now is when the birds are trying to make their little nests to rear their young.
Cut some of this small.
I said rear.
You know who else would have used this? The bunnies in our yard.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna take some paper.
Except I always leave the bunnies in the yard. This year I don't want them. They
Oh, dog hair.
They totally ruined my strawberry plants
And rhubarb.
and rhubarb. Damn, can I say that online?
Yeah, I think so.
I don't know. Like, who's watching enough to censor us?
Everybody.
Well, yeah, but I mean, do you think they care? Hey, cut yours. This is just...
Chris says, what in the actual F? Mark says banana hammock. Do you accept cryptocurrency? No, because we're not on the planet Krypton. Duh.
Duh. There. Did you fill yours? You didn't fill yours.
I'm working on it.
By myself, dude. I want cotton balls. I mean, I know we have the other cotton.
Oh, that's all like one big pile there.
So this is a good thing to do with your kids because they're acting
this is like
crazy.
no, that's too long.
You have
That's
to
like
cut
8 feet
it.
long.
Did you not see me cutting? There.
No.
Here's a scissors.
I was busy putting a banana costume on.
Here's another one. I was just doing it while you were giving banana facts.
Oh, speaking of banana facts, the banana is actually classified as a berry. What is this?
Did you?
I don't know. There.
This guy. Really, this guy. You know what kills me?
What?
Is how natural you are on a camera. You don't even flinch. You think I'm kidding. Chris, how is he fishing? Yeah. Chris went fishing with Kyle one time when Kyle was first starting to use the action cams.
Yeah, he didn't like that too much.
And people came up alongside him and Chris was like,
Don't you dare film us! Could have made a lot of money on that.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
There, put some more grass in. Remember, you gotta have some sticking out too so they can grab
dog
onto
hair.
it. The dog hair. More dog hair. I'm gonna take most of it.
Our dogs selflessly gave of themselves.
Yeah, no kidding. Again and again and again.
Ziva loves to be brushed. Molly hates to be brushed.
Ugh,
My mom taught Ziva to be vacuumed.
that's fun.
Yeah, we came home from hunting. Oh, come on, you can't leave the dog hair all over.
Oh, now it's in my nose.
We came home from hunting. Every time we came home from hunting and my mom was here with the kids, there was something weird. Like, the time she cut wallpaper flowers out and put them on our walls. She usually does good though. But she taught the dog to be vacuumed.
Hi, Cindy.
And now she won't leave you alone when you vacuum. Are you done with yours?
I guess so. I mean, it looks pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah, but
Top
you
it
gotta
off some
fill
more of
it.
that.
I mean, you're not gonna have many animals getting stuff out of yours. Alright, so basically we're just throwing anything in here, right? You know what I was thinking?
What?
When I was doing it and I had all kinds of bright yarn, I was like, maybe, I'm itching for mulch. I was thinking maybe you shouldn't put like bright colors in because would that make it easier for other animals to see the...
I don't think so.
I mean, you're the expert here.
I'm wearing a banana costume. I don't think I'm the expert.
What does Mark have to say about your banana costume?
He laughed.
And?
That's about it.
What?
I know.
Hey, so did anybody answer the question on the Jif or Skippy? I want to know. Jif or Skippy peanut butter?
Oh, Mark
or
says, Kyle, you
brand?
remind me of one of the Fruit of the Loom guys.
You know, he's probably going to wear this all day now.
I'm the biggest one because the banana's the biggest.
Should we tell them what the other projects we're working on today?
I don't care.
Okay, so Kyle will be putting together video. We haven't been doing much this last week because I haven't been feeling good. So, and then when I did, I was an idiot and sanded, and then couldn't move. All right, so we have some pieces of furniture in the garage that we're working on.
Chris says he thinks I lost my mind.
He did a while ago.
It's half your fault too.
Why is it his fault?
Because he grew up with me and he
caused you to
he
be
caused a
like
lot of this trauma.
Wow.
When he called me mildewed one time, it's still
Oh, come on.
or
You-
Three Dog Mike.
I never heard that. You deserve to be called mildewed.
I slept in a moldy sleeping bag because I was too stubborn
sleeping bag was moldy and he was too stubborn
to get a new one or not to use it.
so he slept in it.
Yep, just to prove my point.
With all of his friends
Oh,
around.
I got straw in my pop.
Gross. Hey, can I have some more of that?
What, pop?
Oh, no. We're going to bring one of these to my mom because it was just her birthday. She'll love it though. She feeds the birds. I don't feed the birds. Then they just come in our yard and eat more. Yet we're doing this, right? No, we're doing this as a courtesy so they leave my damn wreaths alone. There's a lot of money in those wreaths. Besides,
Yeah, they were swarming it pretty good.
they were fighting as to like who was going to get in there. It's kind of annoying. Okay, so we have some big pieces of furniture we're working on. Hopefully we will have video up of the progress. Those will be on YouTube.
Again,
right?
a work in progress.
YouTube? Are you putting those on YouTube?
Yes.
So those will be on YouTube. Maybe one tonight. And that's just kind of the process. Like, here, this is this part, this is the next part, blah, 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 blah. You know it. So we have those. We're doing
The bananas that we eat today, the Cavendish, are different from the pre-1960 banana, the Gross Mitchell. Those have been wiped out by the Panama disease.
what the heck is the Panama disease?
I don't
Did you
know.
know that banana spiders are poisonous? Like,
I don't know, I'm not through the facts yet.
well, you probably should have started with that. Did you know bananas are very high in potassium, so if you have leg aches, you should eat them?
Did you know bananas are radioactive?
Yes, but what did you learn?
I don't know.
Come on, you told us when you went down.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah. Not enough?
Not enough.
Hurt you?
No.
Okay.
Oh, Mark
so-
says Jiffy. It's the only vote so far.
Wow, you guys, come on. Alright. So I'm gonna just like throw this stuff in here for now and just show these. So look, okay. Look at that.
Ugh. Look at
Right?
that.
So it's just scraps. You just put scraps of whatever in them.
Why does yours stand up? Mine doesn't.
Because you were not paying attention and I went like this. Okay.
Yeah, that'll do it.
So now, you can just put some wire or string through this. I'm going to do wire or rope because then the birds won't eat it. And then stick it in a tree so they leave your shit on your front door alone. Right?
Right.
Okay, so what do we got? I know what we need to ask.
What?
We are doing the pieces of furniture in the garage. A large
Hutch?
hutch china cabinet, and it's gonna have a poured, the back piece on it is, we took it off, and that's gonna be poured epoxy, so it's probably gonna look like a large agate, or we should either do a large like geode or what is it called?
I don't know.
Galaxy.
Galaxy.
Sorry, I'm having trouble thinking after being in pain for a week. Okay, so a large galaxy, and we were gonna do them in white or black, and we couldn't decide, so vote below. White or black. So we have the large china hutch
Come on, leave us
and
a
buffet.
comment.
Yes.
You
And
know you want to.
black or white.
You know you're not doing anything else. It's
Because
COVID.
it's COVID and you're all bored and it's 1 o'clock in the
Yeah.
afternoon, so you're probably not taking naps. Right?
I don't know.
The other thing is I just got a sponsor that's sending me some epoxy. Actually, we got it a couple days ago. And to experiment with. So I want to experiment. I want to see what you'd like to see done. If you'd like some specific colors or a specific type of art, a wall hanging, a table, something. Something different than what I already do.
Oh, Mary Hansen says Jiffy is the best.
It is.
What was the white jar?
Oh my god. Okay, so
That
it's
was
marshmallow
fluff.
Marshmallow fluff. It's some sandwich from New England that's supposed to be some, I mean, it's, what, like pop culture. Is that what you'd call it?
I don't know.
It's a big deal. But we watch Psych, which I asked if anybody watched. Anybody watched that series, Psych? Awesome. Kyle and I have watched it so many times. And Gus's favorite sandwich is marshmallow fluff and peanut butter. So we both grossed out over that. And last night I thought, well, Kyle always gets me, so guess what? I'm going to make it.
Except I got her back again. Ha ha.
Yeah, with the banana.
Banana costume.
Banana.
Sometimes you can't make this stuff up.
No, this is what I live with. He's fun. But he does really weird stuff out of the middle of nowhere.
Pretty much. All right. So, in closing.
In closing, we have make something for. See, be careful of little pieces like this, though. Make sure you cut all the little things out. Something to do with the family. Get your kids busy, and
they're easy. They're relatively quick.
You could call this science.
Yeah.
This is their science.
Mm-hmm. Outdoor science.
Yeah. First, they have to go out and collect it. Yep. So it could keep them busy for a while.
That's
and
right.
make this with them. But it's just kind of neat. If you're somebody that likes to watch birds, another neat thing.
Oh, so we have two votes for Jiffy.
Jiffy?
Yeah. 3
I agree. Jiffy people rock.
with no nuts.
Ugh. No nuts. Nuts. Why do people put nuts in food?
I don't know.
I can't do it. I just can't. All right. So we have these.
Mhm.
We're going to be filming and putting things on. Please check out our YouTube page, because we have a bunch of videos that Kyle's been working on that we had shot but haven't gotten up because we haven't been able to edit them. So those
They're
are
still
going to be
they're in the business, we call it, they're still in post-production.
and production.
In production.
So we're going to be working on these pieces of furniture over the next couple days. Tomorrow we're delivering a key piece to a customer.
Yep.
And hopefully we're going to get to film that and
Pretty
show
excited.
it to you.
Pretty
This
excited.
is a pretty cool piece. So tune in. Please, please, please go to our YouTube channel. Help us build that. We're going to be putting on a bunch of videos like I just repeated.
You gotta
But-
check out the One Banana bread.
Yeah, it's a big deal.
It's a big deal.
Subscribe,
Yeah.
like, and share. Please share it. We'll be doing fun videos. Not all of them are going to be epoxy either. So we have quite a few things planned.
Right.
Yeah?
Right.
And as soon as we can get back out fishing in the woods, we'll have some fun ones.
Yeah.
Now, when Mark joins us, fishing in the woods,
Except he really doesn't know how to fish. Just saying.
those are fighting words. The shenanigans are, we're out of control.
Grant says peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. There it is, there it is, there it is, there it is. Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly.
This is nothing.
On that note, we're out.
No, we're not out. I get to tell him this. Sit down. You think this is funny. Kyle,
Oh, this is funny.
the summer before my brother passed away, Kyle,
Oh wait, now this is a kid-friendly environment
oh,
here.
this is kid-friendly. I'm not going to show a picture.
There is a picture.
My brother said Kyle wouldn't get naked out on the boat on Mille Lacs, and so he did, and laid across the back of it. And my poor sister-in-law, who doesn't even like hugs, had to see that.
Yeah, you do anything to make somebody laugh.
You did. Yeah, we're proud of you for that. Okay, make a bird nest. What do we call this? A bird nest
Material
supplier.
supply.
Yes. Make one. Put a picture in the comments. Do this with your kids. Count it as science for school. See, look at that.
Mark says drop one off here. No, Mark, we're doing this so you can build your own.
Yes, it's a DIY.
Yeah.
Remember social distancing. We can't bring you one. Let us know what you'd like to see us build next, or make, or do, cook, something. Anything, and we'll accept the challenge and do a video.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Try. Within reason, kids.
Within reason. So, drop a challenge below, and let's have some fun. Give us a break for the week. Thanks for tuning in.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you look at the pieces. You need, I know you need new art for your walls, because your house is boring, because you've been in it too long, and now you're looking at all the stuff and saying, we need
The
to
same
change,
stuff.
right? So, we got your art.
We do.
We've sold several pieces lately.
Yep.
So,
And we will deliver under safe conditions,
yes,
sanitary conditions.
everything is wiped down and completely sanitized, dropped at your door. So, unless you live a lot, we're not driving to Florida.
No.
Right? Okay, drop us a challenge. Vote on your favorite peanut butter. Let us know on the colors that you'd like to see for the pieces of furniture that we will be working on over the next 2 days.
Yep.
Until then,
Till then, we're out.